Yeah, that area is always tight, like often. Oh yeah, that feels good.
Yeah, it's like it's your traps and your it's like your SCM. It's this one right here too.
Yeah, everything around my neck is so tight. I don't know what the solution is.
Stop working out.
I even don't train my traps.
There you go. There you go. Let it
I heard that.
there you go, a little bit.
No, that was loud. For me, it was loud.
Right.
I heard it in my head.
Well, your muscles also like absorb the sound. They say that like you don't hear the cracks.
Yeah, it makes sense because it's got to go through more.
Yeah, it has to go through like
more meat and more
just like
substance.
the laws of sound.
Yeah, because I felt that, like I heard it. Oh, that was loud.
That was a good one.
That was really loud.
Yeah, that was good.
I don't know if you guys